And T-Rick almost proceeded to make
walking up to
a hole in
the
one.
putt of Rick Newton. Looks to me like it's less than 3.5, 4 feet away
For an eagle.
for the eagle.
That guy is
And at this point, he is beginning to take the pin out for his wife, Virginia Newton, who herself is, I believe, putting for 3 for 2. This is not as difficult or rather as easy a hole as you might think, having a birdie putter and an eagle putter on the green. Here she comes, Virginia Newton. There it comes. It's coming down. It's heading towards the hole. It just comes up the story of some people's lives a little short. There's the eagle, Rick Newton. Virginia taps in a par, steps aside for her dear husband for a 2. Yes, and it's an eagle. What?
And there we go.
Now
That
you can.
too.
Fantastic. Virginia, what do you have to say about that? Virginia had an accident a while back with a bee got into her vocal box, and she can't talk, but she's very excited nevertheless.